Thank you, Emily, for riding coach all the way from Lincoln to join us here in beautiful and thankfully air-conditioned California to your new life.
Thank you.
I like to play a game,
A game?
an exercise, if you prefer. You stand in a large chamber and you feel as if this place is a mausoleum.
Mausoleum?
A tomb. Something feels not right. In the center, there's like a cat.
A cat.
Yes.
That's...
What? Do you want to know what the cat says?
Sure.
Do you really?
I really, really do.
The cat turns and it says, Emily, I am a messenger of him. And now that you have seen me, you have 24 hours before he comes to tempt you. And it will be the most terrifying moment of your life.
How do you come up with this shit?